When the road is long, be with me. When the night is dark, be with me. When I cannot see tomorrow, hold my hand. Don't let me walk alone. Don't let me walk alone. When the morning breaks before me and I step into the day, let your presence walk beside me. Let your spirit lead the way. When I face a road unknown and I cannot see the end, be the voice that gently guides me. Be my Father and my friend. I don't know what lies tomorrow. I don't know what I will face, but I know that I can trust you, for I've seen your endless grace. Every mountain, every valley, every moment, every mile. If your presence walks beside me, I can face them with a smile. I don't need to know the future, I only need to know you're near. I don't need to have the answers, I only need your hand to lead me. Chuku, chuku, so. So. Bekwela kamgana, bekwela kamgana ni.
When I'm weak, be my strength.
When I'm afraid,
Give me peace.
when I'm lost,
Show me the way.
stay with me forever.
Stay with me forever.
Oh, when the storms begin to gather and the winds become so strong, be the shelter over my life, be the place where I belong. Oh, when the tears begin to fall and my heart becomes so tired, let your love become the comfort that my weary soul requires. When the world becomes too noisy, let me hear your quiet voice. When confusion fills my heart, Lord, teach me how to trust your choice. I don't need the world around me to understand my journey. If I know that you are with me, I will never walk alone. Chuku, chuku,
So.
didim, 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 didim. Ekwela kamgana. Through the valley,
Through the mountain,
through the darkness,
through the light.
I will follow where you lead me. You will always be my guide.
Stay with me forever.
Stay with me forever.
Stay with me.
Stay with me forever.
Stay with me.
Stay with me forever.
Stay with me.
Stay with me forever. Be with
me in my decisions.
you.
Be with me in what I choose.
You.
When I stand before a crossroads,
Give me wisdom I can use,
be with me in every blessing.
so that pride won't steal my heart. Be with me when life is painful, so I never drift apart. Be with me inside my family. Be with those I call my own. Let your peace surround our dwelling. Because with you beside me, I can keep going. There were moments when I felt alone, moments when I wondered if you could still hear me. But when I look back,
I see that you were there.
in every closed door,
You were there.
in every unexpected blessing,
You were there.
in every moment I survived.
You were there.
So today, I don't ask you for riches,
I don't ask you for fame.
I don't ask you for everything.
I think I need.
I simply ask you. When the road is long, be with me. When the night is dark, be with me. When I cannot see tomorrow, hold my hand, don't let me walk alone. When the morning breaks before me and I step into the day, let your presence walk beside me. Let your spirit lead the way. When I face a road unknown and I cannot see the end, be the voice that changes